You're tuned in to Don't Planet Live behind the scenes. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe and be a part of the team, you hear me? All them donks way, all them donks way, all them donks way, all them donks way, all them donks way.
If you in a 7-1, boy, make that bitch run. If you in a 7-2, make it do what it do. If you in a 7-3, see it slide like a G. If you in a 7-4, boy.
Dun, dun, dun. Here I go with the second video of the day, you hear me? Second video of the day alert, you hear me? Like I say, folks, man, I appreciate you guys. So just to show my appreciation, man, posting 2 videos today. I already posted one earlier. Now this is gonna be the second one right here, you hear me? Y'all already know, man, just to show my appreciation, folks. Before we get into that, first thing first, safety, safety, safety. Y'all probably get tired of me repeating that, but hey, man, I just want to make sure my family out there is safe, you hear me? I want to make sure y'all safe out there. So with that being said, y'all already know we in a pandemic, so practice the necessary safety precautions. Wash your hands, social distancing, carry some sanitizer, all that, you hear me? Wear your mask, all that, to make sure you keep you and your family safe, you hear me? Make sure you keep each other safe out there, man. Other than that, folks, hope you guys had a productive day. I know I had a productive day, and it was definitely a beautiful day, you know what I'm saying, to go and get out there and be productive, man. You know what I'm saying? Chase your goals, chase your dreams, all that. But yeah, man, with this footage, man, you know, I'm on my way up north. I left down south, on my way up north. Hit up Jug Auto-Tune. Jug Auto-Tune said they had some stuff, so we went down there, you know what I'm saying, and checked out Jug Auto-Tune. I mean, we on our way down there to check out Jug Auto-Tune to see what's popping down there, you hear me? So y'all already know, man, Jug Auto-Tune's putting in that work, you hear me? Jug Auto-Tune, so you know what I'm saying? I know they won't have something for us to see down there as to, you know what I'm saying, cars that they putting in the game, you understand what I'm saying? So that's what it is. As far as the diet goes, folks, the diet is going great. I spoke about the diet earlier today, you know what I'm saying? Just want to give y'all a brief, you know, a brief talk about the diet real quick. You know, yesterday was weighing day. I'm down a total of 20 pounds in a little bit over a month, y'all mean? I feel good, I feel great. Like I said, I couldn't do it without you guys, you know what I'm saying? I'm fasting 16 to 17 hours a day. You know, I ate my first meal already. It's almost about that time for me to eat my second meal today. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? Everything is going good. You know what I'm saying? I'm following. Matter of fact, I think I might have mentioned the word diet, but I apologize. I'm not even supposed to be saying diet anymore. It's called lifestyle change, because this is not nothing temporary for me. This is something that's going to be ongoing. It's not temporary. You know, this is going to be a lifestyle change. So you know what I'm saying? So it's basically a new lifestyle for me. I'm eating right, and you know what I'm saying? I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the suggestions and stuff like that. Folks, y'all already know, man. Make sure you subscribe to Don't Planet on YouTube for your chances to win a donk, because we are giving a donk away once we hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. But it's up to you guys to help spread the word and tell people and tell everybody you know that like donks about the Don't Planet Donk giveaway. You hear me? Tell them to subscribe for their chances to win a donk. Also, folks, if you're looking to stream the intro song, it's titled All Them Donks Fue, and there's a link in the description of this video that'll take you to Spotify, where you'll be able to stream the song. Also, the song is available on Tidal, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and Google Play, you hear me? Y'all check that out. Also, if you're looking to purchase that merch, there's a link in the description of this video that'll take you to donkplanet.com, and you'll be able to check the sort of merch we have available. We got hats, we got shirts, we got beanies, you know what I mean? Y'all check that out. You'll definitely might find something you like, you hear me? Other than that, folks, that's all I got for y'all right now, folks. Let's go ahead on and get into this footage, man. Let's go ahead on and get into this footage at Jug Auto-Tune, you hear me? Live at Jug here, Jimmy. Jug Auto-Tunes. They did the dash in here. Put the radio in the dash, or the double din in the dash. They're not done with it yet. Stay tuned for this one. This one is going to be a nice one. kind of custom. Center console too? They did the center console in here. Kick panel. Boy, got this thing looking right. They're not done yet. Once again, it's not done yet. But as you can see, it's coming along. It's looking real good. Definitely got to lay it around for the finished product. You hear me? Over here they got another LS Monte Carlo, man. They about to put their foot in this Monte Carlo, man. Jug Auto Tunes. I can't wait to see what this one gonna look like. Center console. It's not finished. They're working on it. Once again, this behind the scenes footage, Jimmy. Show progress of the cars being put in the game. Look how that paint flipping. Down here at Jug Auto Tunes, man. You see how that paint flipping? This is like a chameleon or something. That bit flipping, yeah. Yeah, this thing hella flipping. I like that paint, boy. That paint flipping. Nice color choice. Luxury Sport Monte Carlo, man. One of my favorite Monte Carlos. Luxury Sport and SS Super Sport. Luxury Sport, man. Gotta love it. Down here at Jug Auto Tunes, man. Them boys getting it in, man. Lay around for this one. Over here we got that beautiful 71 hardtop that we showed y'all the last time. I know y'all see that motor. We about to show y'all that, but hold on though. Let me show you the rest of the car real quick. I know we showed y'all this car last time, but we had to do it. We had to show it to y'all again, man. This is definitely nice. Definitely nice, man. 71 vert. I can't wait to see this one done. Y'all drop me a comment. Let me know what y'all think. Drop me a comment. See that motor, man. LS6. LS6. That's a nice motor, man. Y'all drop in the comments. Let me know what y'all think. Beautiful color. Motor again. I gotta show that motor again, boy. That motor nice, boy. That heartbeat right. take a look at this, folks. Rack and pinion down there on the vert, man. Rack and pinion. I've never seen that done before. Go ahead and put the rack and pinion on. That's my first time seeing it. And as you can see, the motor sit low. Dropped the motor because we didn't want to cut a hole in the hood, which I definitely agree with. I don't necessarily agree with cutting holes in the hood. Nicely done. Y'all drop them comments, man. Let me know what y'all think. There you have it, fam. There you have it, Jeremy. Them boys down there at Jug Auto Tunes putting in that work, as you can see, man. Y'all drop them comments. Let me know what y'all think about them cars that Jug Auto Tunes working on. You know what I'm saying? Drop them comments. Let me know. I really want to know y'all thoughts on these cars. You hear me? That's all we got for y'all today, folks. Until next time, man. Y'all already know. Keep it locked right here. Don't Planet Live behind the scenes. You hear me? And remember, that paint ain't wet if it ain't.